sign some of them, you will be seeing them. Yeah? You'll be seeing them moving forward. Makumba, now you're already in the system. You go now your collegiate team, Kera, you'll be in charge of the youths and the gender and the sports. I wanted to announce officially. One of this team, in Juska, my brother, Umroyo, God willing, by next week, I run the government. You will be in the office. I've decided. Ikiaro Umro no leko rat getegas, akanda join a team inga. Umra imbuang get the vacuum. Even when, I don't know you guys you see, ekero motoko gendiga, e você tem que mai. Ninguém vai querer você ar mai. Esse Nchaga asia, no, that yeah, bro. Man mobile the physics. E poi rendere gare vacuum ya very created. E be ele ataka walk by the kid. Espe na que você comer. You go on vacuum when they also were created, that's never occupied. The vacuum which was created, you occupied immediately. That's all. You'll be seeing new faces walking around with me, resolving and young people. One other thing about Katura Batiga, Baraba, Ikaratu Kuana, a language in the Arabian Bible. That's Matubate, Abaka and Tobasikite. There are fathers, there are uncles, there are sisters, there are mothers, we respect them. But for this one, we must show that we have taken charge of our generation. Or the whole team will be able to walk around with. Isaiah, my communication director, you will definitely work hand in hand in Avanta. Next week.